Once you've installed the Chrome extension, you need to log in and put together the initial settings. So in order to log in, you're going to go up to that Chrome extension that you have pinned onto your Chrome window, and you've got two options to log in. If you log into smartphone via an email and password, then you can put them in here. If, however, you log in via your Podio account, then you simply need to click the login with Podio, enter your Podio email address and the password that you use, and click login. Now, once you do that, you will have access to any of the organizations that your user has access to in smartphone. So in this case, I'll just log into one of them, and you can see now I am logged in. I can adjust my settings. I have my dialer, recent calls, and settings, just like the smartphone dialer that you're used to using. The same is true in the Chrome extension. And you have your access to all of your settings right here, your dialer, and your recent calls.